How to fix required password for additional purchases pop-up on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix required password for additional purchases on this device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down. There you'll find an option called screen time. Tap on screen time, and after you tap on screen time, scroll down again. There you should find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it, and after you're there, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to iTunes and App Store purchases. There you will see a section that says require password. Now make sure that it is selected on don't require. Doing that, now you will not require password, which you do get the pop-ups for. Now make sure that, let me go back there again, and make sure all of these are turned in allow as well. If you have not yet, if you see an allow or something like that, tap on it and tap on allow there, and after you do that, your problem should get fixed. And that's how you fix require password for additional purchases on this device error. Guys, thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.